guys, welcome back to Shaurya Shwetha's channel. Today we are gonna do a craft video. Today we are gonna make this bird, guys. See? Today we are gonna make this bird down. You need a sheet, guys. You need any color sheet. Then you'll need scissors, glue, and color box, pencil, and scale, and rubber eraser, guys. Now let's begin. First you have to fold this sheet like this. Okay, then this part we have to fold. It looks like a ship, guys. See, I'm in a boat. Then you have to take it out, and you have to use the scale and the pencil. Then you have to leave a scale full space. Then you have to do a little line. And you have to take this and put this. I have to trace it, guys. One line. These are the eyes, guys. And another, guys, circle. Now in this part we have to make a beak. Yeah, there is a beak. Now we have to cut this, guys. It will take a long time. That's why I'm doing a shortcut in 3, 2, 1. Guys, see, I have done all this. Now we'll no longer need that. Now first you have to do this one is there, no? You have to fold it. After this, you have to glue, guys, in the line. Can you see the line? And this is there, no? You have to fold it a half, guys. Half. See, it's almost ready. Then you have to glue the eye here.
Start.
Guys, we are going the other side. We have to leave a middle gap here, guys. Why means you have to put the nose, guys. Let's glue the nose. Have to glue it. Guys, see. Now you have to correctly put this sticks on the middle. On the wings, guys. And the another side, guys. Afterwards, guys, you can cut this because it's too long. After this, guys, we are gonna do designs. We'll do the designs in 3, 2, 1. Guys, I finished this. See? And when you cut this side, you have to open like this, and then you have to do. See, it's working. Then you can do the eyes, guys. I'll give you 2 options, guys. You can use sketch pen or black pen, guys.
Black pen. Right.
You can use black pen, guys. I'll use sketch pen, guys. Guys, I did the eyes, guys. See? And now the bird.
Guys, your bird is finished.
The bird is finished now, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. When we hit 500k, I'll upload a gaming channel. Okay, guys, it will be amazing. I'll make Roblox. I think not Roblox, Minecraft videos, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.
Subscribe to the Rent King also. I'm also when the hit. I will also doing, guys. Bye. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye, guys.